The Minimax ME20 is SCM's most compact Edgebander and is virtually single-sided, meaning the load side and setup side are on the same side, reducing the footprint of the ME20 by only needing access to one side of the machine. Even the electrical cabinet sits to the right, and the regulator and 120mm dust port to the left of the machine to again limit the amount of rear access. The ME20 is 2,335mm long, or just under 92 inches. It is 1,050mm or 41 inches deep, with the tape carousel sticking out the furthest to the rear of the machine. Overall height is 1,240mm, or just under 49 inches. More importantly, the work table height sits at 904mm, or 35.5 inches. The front material support is adjustable and adds 255mm to the depth of the machine when fully extended. The display currently shows an E1 reset code. Hitting the white button under the E-stop will reset the machine. On the top left side, you will find the glue pot control. The display will show the programmed set temperature on the bottom and current temperature on the top. Next to the glue pot control is the control to choose rolls of tape, while below it you will find the control for strips up to 5mm on the ME20. Below this you will find the control for end trim. The other controls such as corner rounding, pre-mill, brush, and groove options are not used on the ME20, as the ME20 shares controls with the ME25 and ME28. This is your stop button, your start button, while the black button is a stop button and works opposite the white reset button. Below this is your 6 meter a minute feed speed selector that will only engage when the glue pot is up to temp. The rest of the controls are used to program the PLC with options like temperature and language. To adjust height, you are going to use the supplied 17mm wrench to loosen the set screw that secures the conveyor in place on the right-hand side of the machine. With the same 17mm wrench, you can now adjust thickness from 12 to 50mm with the easy-to-read numeric readout that you can see through the top window. Opening the cover, we are going to now totally back out the 17mm bolt holding the conveyor in place. This will allow us to swing the conveyor open for better access to the mechanical components of the ME20. Down below are 3 large rubberized rollers. This feed system is exclusive to the ME20, with a top-mounted rough top conveyor being employed to feed material. The front fence is micro-adjustable by simply unlocking it and rotating the handle behind the fence. A built-in mechanical readout allows for precise movement of the fence. Next, you will find the tape feed, glue applicator, rough cut guillotine, and pressure rolls. Up front are 2 knobs. The right knob controls the in and out position of the glue applicator, while the left knob controls the in and out position of the polished pressure roll. The 1 liter glue pot resides just behind the glue applicator. After your pressure rolls, you will find the ME20's end trim unit with easy to change blades. Finally comes your top and bottom trim. They are very easy to access. Adjustment of the top and bottom trim is also a breeze, with rear-mounted controls and mechanical readouts.